Let's talk about the Dreo Air Purifier. This is the air purifier from Dreo, a company well known for their tower fans and their heaters. So what does the Dreo bring to the air purifier game? Well, it's bringing its patented Turbo Pure motor technology, which is 10 times better at drawing air from far away than previous editions. So that means if the air is in the corner of a room, it's still going to be able to pull it inside, and this is coming directly from Dreo. It also comes with a 36 watt rated motor, so that motor is going to be efficient, costing you only about 30 cents per day if you run it 24 hours. And it has a 20 to 54 decibel sound level. So that means on the quietest setting, on basically sleep or quiet mode, it's going to be 20 decibels. And on turbo, it's going to go to 54 decibels. It comes with a dust sensor, a air quality monitor, auto mode, and a filter life reminder. And this can all be here because it is in combination with the true H13 HEPA filter, which is going to be delivering and capturing 99.99% of particles, dander, dust in the air up to a 0.3 micron size. Onboard controls are very straightforward. You have your power, you have your 3 fan speeds, you have your auto mode, night mode, turbo mode, timer up to 8 hours, a child lock mode, as well as a change filter button. Let's take a quick listen to what it sounds like. So why might you consider the Dreo for your next air purifier? Well, it's tested by all of the large major certification boards, including SGS, AHAM, the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, ETL, California Air Resources Board, and the Energy Star. We're going to use this in our baby's room because it is perfect for our baby's room, which is only about 120, 130 square feet, because it can totally refresh the air in just about 5 minutes. For larger rooms up to 283 square feet, it'll take about 13 minutes for the air to be refreshed. And it looks good. It is clean looking. It comes with all of the features that we're looking for, and I like how it works. Replacement filters are easy to find on Amazon, and they're quite affordable. So all in all, as a long-term investment, I think the Dreo is a pretty good deal. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. This is David with the French Glow, signing off. Bye, bye, bye.